Hey, Eric here from AHA. Today I want to tell you about a new type of document we just released called a meeting. Any of you who have spent too long in pointless meetings or had to lead a meeting without an agenda, this one's for you. Check it out. Okay, here we are. I'm preparing for my weekly product team meeting, and as with everything beautiful that you see in these videos, I did not make them. I went up here to add, clicked meeting, and then saw a selection of templates to choose from and made the beautiful better right there with the AHA design team. Okay, let me tour you through this date and time right here. Location, this one happens to be virtual, and attendees, folks in my AHA account that I want to keep in the loop and hopefully see on the day. And then here's my overview, which I'd like to be structured and efficient, just like I want my meeting to be structured and efficient. It all starts with this document. Then I also want my meeting to be infused with strategic context, right? So here is a live version of my product roadmap embedded right here. And when I say live, I mean it. I can click into any of these things, see the details, answer questions, adjust anything, and then one click, I'm back to my meeting. Once this looks great, I can send it to my attendees so they know what's coming and they can get ready. And during the meeting, I can also take notes and fill out some action items there. None of these have to be perfect. We have an AI writing assistant that'll clean all that up for me. I just need to get down to the key insights. Okay, that's it. Once I'm done, if I love the way this looks, I can save it as a custom template myself, so everyone in my workspace or my workspace line can have their meetings go as smoothly as mine. Enjoy.